Okay, remember, just because an FRQ says, here is a differential equation, or the FRQ says, consider a differential equation, that doesn't mean that we should necessarily find a solution to the differential equation. So what we do is simply, we have a differential equation. That means there's some curve. The equation for the curve is not known at this moment, but this would be the equation for finding the slope anywhere on that curve. The question says, on the axes provided, sketch a slope field for this differential equation. So slope field means calculating slopes. So we have x, comma y, and we're supposed to be finding the slope, dy dx. Our formula for dy dx is x squared multiplied by y subtract 1. Best place to start is easy calculations. So wherever x is 0, this will be 0, this won't matter, this will be 0. So looking at the slope field, the spots where x is equal to 0 are here, 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 and here. So that's when y is equal to 0, 1, 2, or 3. So for all of those spots, the slope is 0. A slope of 0 means a horizontal line. So on the slope field, you have to draw a horizontal line at those points. Checking the answer over here, that matches up. When y is equal to 1, this will be 0, this won't matter. So y is equal to 1 here, here, and here. X is equal to negative 1, 0, 1, we've already done that one. And then 1, 1. So where y is equal to 0, so here and here. Oh, it helps if you do it right. Where y is equal to 1, so here and here. I still have to find these 4 points. So these 2 as well, those 6. So you just plug it in. So let's see, let's move this out of the way. You don't have to show any work on a problem like this. I'm simply showing the work so that hopefully the explanation is easy to follow. Okay, next easy one I suppose would be when y is equal to 2. So when y is equal to 2, x could be negative 1. X could be 0, 1. This one I've already done. So when y is equal to 2, this will be 1. All it matters is what this is. So negative 1 squared multiplied by 2 subtract 1 is going to be 1. 1 squared multiplied by 2 subtract 1 will also equal 1. Slope of 1 has 45 degrees, so I go here to here would be a slope of 1 because I'm over 1, up 1. So I draw the slope field like so. Over 1, up 1. That's the slope field there. Keep going. Here this is x equal negative 1, y equal 3. So that's negative 1 squared, 3 subtract 1. It's 1 multiplied by 2, which is 2. Plug in a 1, comma 3, same result. Again, you do not need to show work. I'm just doing that as an explanation. So slope of 2 means over 1, up 2. This line here can't look, I've got to get a slope of 2. So let's see. I went up 2, I'd be way up there, so that seems about right. Over 1, up 2, like so. Now I've got to find these 2 points. So that's where x is -1 and y is 0. So that's 1, that's -1, -1. This point is 1, 0. Also -1. So these slopes must go this direction. Over 1, down 1. Over 1, down 1. Like that. Now this part A was worth 2 points. 1 point if you found, here's the key, or the scoring guide. 1 point if you found all the places where the slope was 0. So if you drew these, that would be 1 point. If you do the others correctly, you get the second point. You have to have all of them, though. If you have one mistake, you won't get the point.